Where's your toy, Dakota? Where is it? You can't get mad with me. I don't know where it is. Tito, what you got? Bring it here. Good boy. Go find your toy, Dakota. I don't know where it is. Go find it. I don't know. Good morning, guys. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, guys. And rejoice I shall. Despite the fact that she, that would be me, woke up grumpy this morning. Because she did not get any sleep. Thanks to Kiwi. You heard the noises at the beginning of the video. And she did that all night long. And guys, she wasn't even in the same room with us. She was in a totally different room, and that's how loud she was. She made those noises all night long. So what had happened is she laid 3 eggs. And this is not her first time laying eggs. She laid some eggs last year anyway, but she didn't go through what she's going through now. She sit on those eggs all night long. She make these loud noises, guys. Really, really loud. And it kept us up all night long last night. And finally, when we did start to fall asleep, the dogs stopped whining because they wanted to go out and relieve themselves. So they normally wake us up every morning, the dogs, between, I would say, 8:30, 9 o'clock every morning. But time went forward, fall back, spring forward. I think it went forward is what it was. Well, anywho, they didn't know about the time. So all they know, this is the time they wake up every morning. So when they started whining, I looked at the clock and it was 7:37. I'm like, oh, heck to the no, 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 heck to the no, no. So I didn't get up. Nelson didn't get up. So good thing for us, they hadn't did anything, you know, they waited till we let them out. Anywho, and then on top of that, someone was texting early in the morning. So between Kiwi, those dogs whining, and that phone going off, I woke up like this. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here. DMX, guys, all the way. So, with that being said, back to Kiwi. So, if Kiwi go on like that one more time, I'm taking those eggs from her. So, according to the research I did, guys, it says take the eggs from her and put some fake eggs down, which is senseless to me because whether they fake eggs or real eggs, she's going to sit on them and make noise, you know, because the eggs are not going to hatch anyway because the eggs are not fertilized because she doesn't have a mate. So, second choice was to, what did they say second? Leave, no, it was saying, if I do take the eggs away from her, she may lay more. So don't want that. And I think the third choice was leave the eggs in there, let them stay as long as they can stay. After a while, she'll get bored with them and then take them away. So don't know how long it's going to take for her to get bored with them. But another night like last night, and Kiwi going to end up in the frying pan. Just joking, guys. Just joking. That's a joke. Ha 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 ha. I would never do that. I love my little chicken head, so I wouldn't put it in the frying pan. Even got a shirt. Look at that. See? Even got a shirt with her picture on it. That's how much I love her. But one more night like tonight, and she will be taking those eggs from her. Alright, guys. So, let me show you my little chicken head sitting on her eggs. And let me show you her 3 little eggs. Alright, guys. Ta-ta for now. See you in a minute. Bye. Can we see your eggs, please? Come here, girl. Can we see your eggs? Come here. Come to Mama. Come talk to Mama. Keys, can you come talk to Mama, please? Come give me some kisses. Good girl. Those are her 3 eggs. Come give me some kisses. Good morning. Good morning. Can Mama have some kisses? Can Mama have some kisses? Come on. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Kiwi, you was being a real diva last night. A real diva. You kept us up all night long. Let's see if we can get your eggs. I won't hurt them. All right. Those are her 3 little eggs. She's in there quiet as a little church mouse now. That kept us up all night. That's what you think. Get up, Kiwi. Come on. Get up. Let's go. Rise and shine. Cock-a-doodle!